Long, long ago in a serene pond, lived a small creature named Sprig. Sprig was not like the other pond dwellers. He could walk on water without sinking. He was a water strider, a marvel that fascinated all who saw him. One day, Sprig noticed a young frog named Froppet, who was struggling to cross the pond. Froppet was new to the pond and unaware of Sprig's unique ability. He was trying to swim across but kept getting pushed back by the waves. Seeing Froppet's plight, Sprig approached him. "Hello, Froppet," he said. "Why do you struggle so much in the water?" Froppet looked at Sprig, puzzled. "I'm trying to cross the pond, but the water keeps pushing me back." Sprig smiled. "I can help you, Froppet. I can show you how to walk on water like me." Froppet was eager to learn, and Sprig taught him the secret to maintain a balance on the water's surface using surface tension. With practice, Froppet learned to walk on water, just like Sprig. Word spread throughout the pond about Sprig's extraordinary ability. Many creatures, including Froppet, marveled at Sprig and his unique talent. But Sprig, with a wise smile, reminded everyone, it's not just about walking on water. It's about understanding the forces that make it possible, and using that understanding to help others. From that day on, Sprig became a beacon of hope and wisdom for all the pond dwellers. He taught them about the unseen forces that govern their world and encouraged them to help one another. And in doing so, he showed them that true strength lies not in extraordinary abilities but in the power of understanding, empathy, and kindness. So, remember the story of Sprig, the water strider. When you encounter challenges, don't just focus on the struggle. Look for the lessons hidden within, and use those lessons to help others. For, as Sprig taught us, understanding is the key to strength, and kindness is the bridge that connects us all.